So now let's start designing the Mysql section. Click on this plus icon, and from here you have to select this two column. And the very first thing we have to do, we have to add an image. So simply click here and click on this image, drag it and leave it here. So this image is like this. So let's assign some vertical alignment to middle, and we want to decrease this side of the column. So click on this, and I just want to make it to 40, just make it to 36, and this looks much better. So as you can see, we are set with this part. So let's come here and let's first upload the image. So double click on this, click on this, and just scroll it down. So this is the image which I want to display on that Mysql section. So click on this. So this is how the image is going to look. As you can see, it's beautifully. So now we have to click on this section, and we have to add an inner section. So I just want one more, so just click on and delete this part. So as I told you that once you design a particular text form, a design, you can simply copy this section and you can paste it, because this is the styling we're going to use in every section. So the same thing, what I will do, I will simply click on this and I will copy, and I scroll it down, I will paste it right up here. So I have to just remove the margin which I have provided. So go to advanced section and just remove this negative margin, make it 0, and come here and just click here and remove the text. So type my DESI design SKI skills and TOOLs tools. So this is the text which I want to add. Now I'm going to add a paragraph. So simply copy this section, copy the sections, bring it up here, and simply drag and leave it in this section. So I need to add some few more text. So simply copy this text and just paste it a bit. So this is how it's going to look. Now what I have to do, I have to decrease the margin which I have provided to this section. So come to the advanced section and click on this, and I have provided the margin. I need to decrease it to let's make it to 34. This looks much better. So as you can see, we are done with the sections. Now let's add this portion. So simply copy this one and come here and just simply paste it. So we got the same styling at the same locations. So we have to do a little bit adjustment. We need to just let me see, we have to make it a little closer to this my design. So go to advanced and scroll up to here, and from here we can able to adjust the settings. So I need to make it a little closer, no, not further, a little closer. So simply click on this. Yeah, this looks much better. So as you can see, we got the same styling. So once you design a particular segment, you can simply copy and paste, and you can use as many times as you can. So now I'm going to add my skill sections where I'm going to display what I am good at. So for that, I'm going to use this part. So let's come here, click on this and use pie chart. So I will simply just first I will make a section. So let's simply select this part. Let me remove this sections first. So and let's come to here and let me drag it inner section, leave it here, and let's duplicate it to because I'm going to display 4 of my skills. So simply duplicate 4 times and come here, go to the sections, and I'll look for pie. Yeah, this is the thing which I want to use to display my skill. And by the way, to have this feature, you have to install a Scene extension. So I have made a complete tutorial on that, so don't forget to watch. We have a 60+ widget which you can use in Elementor, because these are the premium feature of Elementor. If you want to have Elementor plugins, then you have to upgrade account, then you can able to have this feature. So you can use the Scene extension to have this pie chart. So let's start developing this section. So simply I want to display my skill to 95%, which is I'm really good at. Simply remove this text, and volume would be 10, and let's decrease the size a little bit so it can fit into the box. So let's make it 100. let's make it 100. This looks good, but as you can see, this section is very big, little thick, so I need to decrease this. So I need to have a round up one. Let's drag with this little, let's make it to 20. This again is quite big. Let's make it this. I have to change the text also, so let's click on this. Let's set the primary color, come here, and from here I am to decrease the, let's select the pop-ins, and I want to decrease it to so let's go to the chart section first. Let's click here, volume. Yeah, here we have to do the changes. So let's select pop-ins, and as you can see, the font size is really very big. We need to make it small, so let's select it, and this looks good, and let's make it a little thick. So yeah, that's good. Let's make it to 700. This looks better. We have to change the color, so simply click on this, and from here we have to set our primary color, and we have to change this chart color also. So simply click on this chart, and from here we have to select the color which I want to be this. So let's see. So as you can see, this is how it's look. So now what I will do, I will simply going to add an image to the sections. Like below this section, I'm going to add an image. So simply click and leave an image. So I'm going to use the image, and by the way, all these images, all these files, and all these templates are already given into my website. So if you want to find all these resources, simply visit daulat.hussain.com, and I will provide the link. Just click on this link and you can able to download all the files. So let's see, this is what I want to use it. Click on this. So this looks good. Now once you're done with that, simply copy and duplicate this section. So I want to display 4 of my categories. Let's remove the other ones because I want to display only 4. So as you can see, there is a problem. There is too much gap in between of this. So let's have one more. This is, but I can do one thing. I can just reduce the width of this section to 18. 18. This looks good. It's not too. Let's change the image of each of these sections. Come this section, and from here I'm going to upload this PXP. Come to this section. Come to the sections and simply scroll it down and XT. Click on this. Come to this section and scroll it down and AI. So as you can see, this section is also beautifully designed. So this is how it's going to look. So as you can see, this is the hero section, about us section, and Mysql section. So but there is a problem. As you can see, this color has not changed it because I have cookies in my server, so that's why this color is remains. If I have to clean my cookie, then this color is automatically going to update. So if you're having the same issues like me, then remove all the cookies from your browser and you will have the normal one. So this section is also ready. Now let's move to the next section. So as you can see, I have removed all the cookies from my browser and now it's displaying beautifully. So this is how you can do. Just simply scroll it down, and as you can see right now, it's looking very beautiful. So we got a beautiful design. So sometimes this issues happens. Simply remove the cookies from your browser. So now let's move to the fourth section.